Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to show you how you can stop people from tagging you in TikTok videos. So it can get quite annoying if you're getting tagged all the time in videos. So to do it, just open up TikTok. Then what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right. Tap on those 3 stripes, and then you want to tap on settings and privacy. From here, you want to tap on the second option that says privacy, and you just want to scroll down till you find the mentions and tags option, which is right over there. So tap on mentions and tags, and now you have a couple of options. It says who can tag you, which is what we want to stop. So you can either put it on people you follow, or you can put it on followers that follow you back, or you can simply put it on no one. And then you can do the same for the mentions and everything like that. So if you don't want to be tagged in any sort of TikTok videos, tap on no one. But if you want to be tagged by people that follow you back, so people like your friends and stuff like that, you can tap on the second option from the bottom. But I'm just going to leave it on no one, so people don't tag me in videos anymore. And that's all you need to do. You can now go back, and then you can go back until you go to the home page. And then you can just continue using TikTok as normal. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.